Foi sem querer que ouvi, mas com querer me fizeste sentir assim. Não foi por bem, nem foi por mal, só o fizeste porque nunca levei nada.
Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. I hope you guys are all doing well. I pray that you guys are blessed and healthy. I'm over here sick. I'm literally ending off this year sick. I'm bringing in the new year, my birthday sick. I'm a mess over here. With that being said, before I get started, I do want to share a quick scripture. This is from Jeremiah 33:6 in the NIV version. This says, "Nevertheless, I will bring health and healing to it. I will heal my people and I will let them enjoy abundant peace and security." Once again, that's from the NIV version. And what that means to me is that God promises to bring health and healing to his people. He will restore us from suffering and turmoil, providing us with peace and security. I want to share that verse just simply because I haven't been feeling well. My year has literally been a huge struggle. I'm really trying to recuperate in 2025. So for those of you guys who may be going through something, for those of you guys who may be sick, may be dealing with a loss, a broken heart, or just struggles, I definitely wanted to speak that scripture over you guys and prepare us for this new year, just to remind you guys on God's faithful promises. I'm going to also be sharing scriptures here and there for you guys. If you guys want to see more of this, definitely let me know. Y'all, I'm walking with the Lord this season, and I pray that you guys will too. So again, let's go ahead and get into this wig. This wig does come from Unice. You can find them on Amazon. I will have all the links and details located in the info section below. However, this unit is a silky straight unit, and my wig is 13x4. It does have that pre-cut lace, and it also has the pre-adhered tape strips along the ear tabs. I did remove those because I never really like to use those. I prefer just kind of using like a lace spray instead. However, in case you guys are beginners and you guys are learning units, they do give you extra lace tape just in case you guys want to try it out for yourself. Once again, I am using my eBen lace spray. I'm going to spray that all over the lace along the perimeter of my hairline and then melt it down using the edge band. Now my unit is 24 inches long, 180% density. It does have that transparent lace. It is pre-plucked. The knots are pre-bleached. This is pretty much a ready to wear, put on and go glueless lace wig. Really no work is required other than what you're seeing me doing, just kind of getting the unit prepared to wear as I would do with all of my units. But I'm just going through it using my flat iron just to kind of get rid of any kinks or any creases that may have established during the shipping process. I allowed the unit to melt for about 15-20 minutes or so, and now I'm just going in using a little airbrush legs. I'm using this as a lace tint simply because I have it. I need to get rid of it. I'm applying that all over the lace just to kind of get a nice even melt. I'm going to follow that up using my powder and just apply that just along, you know, the perimeter of my forehead in the lace. I later on decided that I think I want some baby hairs. I think I want some sideburns. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those out and get those laid. you guys, so this is what this wig is currently looking like. Y'all, this hair is so incredibly soft. Now I'm 5'9", hits like around like my lower waist area. You guys can definitely see that this hair is full of density. It's 180% density. It has so much movement and silkiness. Now I usually don't prefer silky straight units because they have a tendency to look a bit on the thinner side, but when I tell you this hair looks super thick and healthy, and you guys see the movement and just the overall sheen, it just looks like a very good grade of healthy human hair, and it's so soft. Now I am like aggressively running my fingers through the hair, and I am getting absolutely no shedding, no tangling, nothing at all, girl. So definitely I am so pleased with this Unice unit. They have definitely come a long ways because I just remember all the chitter chatter about them, but their units are super great quality, and I definitely would like to recommend them to you guys in case you guys are interested. Now I did want to give you guys a few different styling options, nothing too crazy. I just decided to throw this one in a little side ponytail. I'm fluffing the braid out just to kind of give it some fullness, and this is the first look. So I'm going to go ahead and take this down and then give you guys the second look. Now these are just little styles that I would do in case I'm in a hurry, if I'm going to church, or if I'm running errands, going to work, school, anything like that. You know, these are super simple. They don't take too much time. And yeah, this is the second look. So yeah, the styling possibilities are pretty much endless. If you decide that you want to curl this unit, even if you wanted to color it or bleach, there is definitely no limit to the different possibilities that you can do with this particular unit. Now once again, this unit can be found on Amazon Prime. It does come from Unice. I will have all the details and links located in the info section below. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I use throughout this video, I'll be sure to link that below as well. So be sure to check the description box below. Now this is definitely something that I'm going to be wearing all winter long, maybe even into spring, just because I love a nice straight long unit during the winter time. It just is definitely my go-to look. Now again, you guys do check out Unice on Amazon Prime. I'll have everything listed down below. You guys definitely let me know what you guys think, and I pray that you guys have an amazing 2025. I'll see you guys next year. Love you guys. Bye.